Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Jurors had already heard from Byung-oh Kim's alleged victim. On the stand, with the help of a Korean interpreter, she stated, quote, "My body was frozen so I couldn't think or talk," end quote. The 23-year-old was so overwhelmed with tears as she described the alleged rape that the court had to take a brief break. That was Monday. On Tuesday, shortly after the government rested its case in chief, defense attorney Randy Cunliffe made his motion for judgment of acquittal. Quote, "She never indicated lack of consent. She did not struggle. She did nothing at all," he argued. Cunliffe cited testimony from the victim that she had willingly changed into a shirt to sleep in and got into bed with Kim after their day of sightseeing that ended with dinner and beers. Prosecutor Jeremiah Luther argued that the element of surprise overcame the victim, that Kim took advantage of her in a sleep state and using that surprise proceeded to touch her in bed before picking her up to take her to the bathroom and engage in sexual intercourse again. Luther argued that the victim need not actively resist, that she was frozen in fear. Though the court was expected to rule on the motion immediately after, Judge Arthur Barcinas returned from the break asking for more time. Quote, "It's not an easy one for me," end quote. The victim prosecution noted will be returning to South Korea on Wednesday. Early Tuesday afternoon, jurors also heard testimony from Amparo Rios, formerly a sexual assault nurse examiner for Healing Hearts Rape Crisis Center. She reported positive findings on the victim, specifically a tear in her vagina, using photos projected onto a screen for the jurors to see. Quote, "It's indicative of trauma or sexual contact," she stated. Jurors will return to court on Wednesday morning. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Crystal Paco.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.